All right, love, so this is my piece that I created. Now, I spoke about making sure that you add large pieces of art to your room in order to make it feel grand and, you know, make sure it doesn't look cheap. And this is kind of what I was talking about. You don't have to spend a lot of money to get large art. Typically, a piece this size would run you every bit of $200 and up, depending on where you get it from. And you can create the same thing for less than $45 if you have a few patients and some equipment. Now, I didn't show you how I hung this piece of art, but all I did was go to Home Depot and grab this little level slash bar, and I added it to the wall. It already has a level built in, and I added the other piece to the back of here. I'll show you. And all I did was hang it up, and I'm able to slide it. So if I want it to be closer to this side, I just slide it here. If I want it to be closer to the door, I can slide it here. One other thing I want to point out, when you are choosing art, look at the space that you're using. This is a narrow space. So I didn't want to do something short and wide. I wanted to do something narrow and long. That is the way you want to think about your space when you're trying to plan for art. Okay? So let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, so this is the back. As you can see, all I did was add a few screws here. And I'm going to show you the back of this thing. You know, I try to make sure that you see exactly, so I don't want you to waste your time or your money. So this is the back. This is literally 3 canvases from Michael's Arts and Crafts, and I fused them together using a staple gun and some liquid nails and applied a frame around it and hung it up. Super easy. You can make this as big as you want. All right, so that is it. I'm gonna hang it back up so you can see how easy that is. Voila. And like I said, I can shift it however I want it to lay here. And you have art, okay? So do not be afraid to get your hands dirty and create something that is unique to you. I like to use shapes, patterns, textures, color. This looks really nice if you just leave it all white. I know that's really popular and a lot of people are doing that, but I needed to add some color into the space. So I decided to go with the colors that I was already using, and voila. Tell me what you think. Hey love, let me know in the comment section what type of DIY art or projects you want to see next. I really love creating these things for you, so let me know down below. All right, as usual, don't forget, be you, be beautiful, be chic on a budget, and I'll see you on my next upload. Later, boo.